Hey vocalists, Rachel here. This is a quick video tutorial on the new song that we're doing, Not Today, by Hillsong United. It's an awesome song and I'm really excited we're doing it in church. I think the message is super powerful, just declaring how the devil has no control over our lives, not today, not any other day of the week, and how Jesus is the one that we worship. So yeah, I'm quickly going to run through the song and just pick up any little things that I want to note and to make sure we're all on the same page. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do it in the key of A, but the charts haven't come out. They will be emailed in the next few weeks with the correct keys that we're going to do. So yeah, I'm just doing it in this key for this video. I'm just going to change my screen, get the words up. So I just wanted to note out before I started, the melody line in the verses, particularly, she being Taya Smith, the singer of Hillsong United, she does lots of slides at the end of each sentence. So instead of singing like, what's the first line? Trouble won't throw me, won't break me. Like on the same note, she won't break me. She kind of like drops it and slides. It gives a cool effect, which I really like. In the pre-chorus, she sings it quite low. And then in the second pre-chorus, she does the octave higher. So if we can do that, I think that would be really cool. Yeah, I think that would be a great effect and really sing with authority when you singing that part. In the choruses, yeah, so the first line, I'll sing the night into the morning. She sings it up, I'll sing the fear into your... Sorry, other way around. Morning goes down first and then the next line, praise, goes up. So just remember that. And then in the bridge, she gets quite aggressive and like she really gets into it and gets really grungy. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I mean, it would be awesome if we could do that, but I don't want you to stress or put strain on your voice, so that's fine. So I'll quickly run through it and the structure that we're doing. So I'll start from verse 1. So verse 1. Trouble won't throw me, won't break me, won't scare me no more. So sing it like that. Fear must have thought I was faithless when it came for my heart. Pre-chorus. 'Cause I got a song that will never die. I know your love is the reason why. So just note on that word love, she does a little trill, she goes love. If you can do that, that would be great because that's how it's recorded. If you can't, don't stress. Yes, chorus. I'll sing the night into the morning. I'll sing the fear into your praise. I'll sing my soul into your presence. Whenever I say your name, let the devil know not today. Then there's the instrumental. Verse 2. Tell me, did the enemy panic as he took up that cross? Tell me, did the darkness cry mercy as he rolled back that rock? Pre-chorus 2, if you can sing it higher, that would be great. 'Cause I know your love is the life in mine. I know your love is the reason why. Chorus 2. I'll sing the night into the morning. I'll sing the fear into your praise. I'll sing my soul into your presence. Whenever I say your name, let the devil know not today. Whenever I say your name, Jesus, let the devil know not today. No, no, not ever again. And then we head into the bridge and she gets really quiet here. So use your falsetto. That's a high part in your voice. I got really high just then. High part, your head voice. Your love stood down death, crushed the devil's head. Fear is just a lie, running out of breath. Fight beneath your feet, I'm standing on Jesus' name. So let the devil know not today. Let the devil know not today. No, no, not now, not ever again. So in this part, you can slowly get louder and louder and louder and stronger because we really want to declare that that's, a really important part of the song. Then it goes back to the chorus 3. So that pretty much just repeats that second chorus that we just did. So I won't play through that. But yeah, as you can see, it's a really simple, straightforward melody. But yeah, it's just those last little bits from each sentence ends a little bit differently. So just make sure you're watching for those slides and that little trill in the pre-chorus. And if you can do that octave up higher in the pre-chorus, that would be sick. But if you can't, don't stress, like I said. And in the bridge, it starts really quiet. So when we are rehearsing with the band, so just remember, if you're worship leading, to be in communication with the band leader and bring all the volume down and the dynamics really low, and then you want to slowly build on that. And obviously, where the Spirit leads, you can get more into it and louder and stronger. But yeah, just those little things to note. So yeah, stay tuned for some charts. They'll be emailed out soon, and this is going to be such an awesome and fun song to play in church. All right, have a great week. See ya.